Okay, in this video I'll be connecting a 240mm 4-core aluminium cable. I'm using a Nova Press, which is a hydraulic battery powered tool. It's good in the sense that it presses from 16 to 400mm with the same die. So your main concern is then making sure you have the correct amount of crimps for the lug, and that should be stated with the manufacturer's instructions that usually come with the lug. Something perhaps unique to Nova Press is that every other crimp you can rotate the press 180 degrees and press it from the other side. I think because it's quite an aggressive crimp, it helps to sort of distribute the pressure, because it quite heavily deforms the lug. So if you need a lot of presses, say for most aluminium is 3, it sort of helps to fit them in. Then just generally the crimping sequence obviously should start from the connection end back towards the cable, unless there are specific instructions to do otherwise, which I've experienced with a 300mm L-press lug. It's a big boy though, the Nova Press tool. It's really cumbersome and quite awkward to sort of maneuver, but I guess in the sense that you just need one die, it's relatively simple to use compared to other press tools. So something perhaps unique to larger cables are sector conductors, where the internal cables are in themselves round and are quite often like a triangle shape. So with the insulation still on prior to installation of the lug, you take your pliers and again sort of the hard edges of the triangle, you sort of squeeze it and ease it back into a more concentric shape. Should perhaps go without saying, but everything needs to be torqued to spec, and then the use of washers should align with the instructions of the cable lug manufacturer. So in this case it's 2 load spreading washers and then like a concave pressure washer. In my opinion, always important regardless of metal type or environment is to brush contact surfaces and ensure that they're clean, free of oxidization, and then greased appropriately. So here we have aluminium, and this is a dry environment, but regardless I'm going to apply grease. You can make your own call on that one. With higher torques or awkward spaces, you might perhaps need an extra pair of hands, but this isn't too bad here. I can kind of rest the sort of head of the tool on my knee, and it provides pretty good leverage where I don't need a third hand. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something, and perhaps I'll do some more videos. Okay, bye bye.